Tommy has a favorite sock. It is red and soft. One day, Tommy helps his mom with the laundry. He puts his clothes in the basket. But suddenly, poof! His red sock jumps out and runs away. "Oh no, come back!" Tommy shouts. He chases the sock. The sock runs into the kitchen. "What do I see?" Tommy thinks. "I see a table. I see a chair. I see a banana." The sock slows down, but then it jumps again. Now the sock runs to the living room. Tommy follows. "I see a sofa. I see a TV. I see a lamp." The sock slows down, but then it hops away. Now the sock runs to the bedroom. Tommy runs fast. "I see a bed. I see a pillow. I see a window." The sock stops. Tommy jumps and grabs it. "Yes, I got you." Tommy laughs. Mom smiles. "Good job, Tommy. And you said many English words." Tommy hugs his red sock. "Now stay in the laundry basket." The sock wiggles, but it stays. The end.